Hi, in this video, I'm going to discuss about how to insert diagram in Google Slides. Diagram helps you to visualize your data easily. There are types of diagrams such as grid, hierarchy, timeline, cycle, relationship, and process. So I will show you on how to insert diagram. Okay, on the blank slides, okay, click select from menus. So, zoom out lang natin. Okay, so click insert, okay, from menus. So, click this one and then click natin yung diagram. So, as you can see, kapag kinilik natin, mag-a-appear siya mismo sa ating side panel ng ating window. So, may mga type of diagrams. We have here a grid, hierarchy, timeline, process, relationship, and cycle. Okay. So, for example, ang click natin, this one. Kapag kinilik mo yung cycle, okay, marami pang lalabas na options. Okay, so ito yung mga list of options niya. So, for example, click this one. And then, ayan na siya. Okay, pwede mo siyang ma-modify, i-adjust natin yung size ng ating cycle. And then, kung ayaw mo, okay, undo natin. Okay, para bumalik sa normal yung ginawa natin. Okay, so pwede natin lagyan ng steps 3. So hanggang step 3 lang siya. I-modify yung color. Okay. For example, this one. Oh, ayun siya. Okay, so pwede mo siyang ma-edit or mabago yung pinaka text niya. Okay, for example, letter A, cycle 1. We have here cycle 2 and cycle 3. Okay. So, ayan yung pag-insert ng diagram. That's it. Thank you.